Dear students, now we are going to discuss about working capital approaches. The working capital approaches we are classified into three categories: aggressive working capital, or moderate and conservative. What is the moderate or aggregative or aggressive working capital? The aggressive working capital, companies or the industries, they are maintain the very minimal working capital for their operations. Okay, here I want to tell you one example. You are going to take up a 10,000 rupees of a project. Got my point? You are going to take up a 10,000 rupees worth of project, but you are going to take up the project, okay, with a 2,000 rupees. But your project requires 10,000, but you are having only 2,000 with rupees in your pocket. You are going to start because you have some expectations in the future. After 1 month, after 10 days, after 1 week, you are getting money, so that you want to handle the project. That we called very risky decision. That's why in the screen you can see that investments are minimal. There we are maintaining the very minimal investment or minimal capital we are going to use. Here it is a high risk, it is also high profit strategy. We are spending less, we are getting more. That's why we are implementing this strategy, but this is a very aggressive approach. The company working capital investments are minimal, it is a less. It is a high risk and a high profit strategy, but here the companies may get profit, may get loss, also loss, but the possibility of loss may be down because they are investing very less. Next, we can see the moderate working capital. The companies are maintaining like the moderate amounts. Example, the project requires 10,000 rupees, but you are maintaining 5, 6, 7,000 you are maintaining. That is a moderate. Or whatever the project requires, you are maintaining that money. That is maybe the permanent amount. That you can see on the screen. The moderate hedging approach divided the total working capital into the two sections. One is a permanent, another one is a temporary. The permanent capital is the minimal amount used to perform the business operations, and the temporary working capital is required the specific need. So here we are maintaining the working capital based on the projects. Coming to the third one is the conservative approach. Here the companies, they are investing very high. It is fully opposite to the aggressive working capital. If the companies are spending the lot of investment for the companies or the operations in the form of working capital. So I think you are clear about the working capital approaches. Thank you, dear students.